A is going to stop the uptrend. B is all going to be about supply and demand. C is going to test the previous highs. D is going to be our markdown in the trading range. And then E, phase E, is going to be our markdown in the downtrend out of the trading range. So instead of the selling climax, we're going to have a buying climax. Instead of the automatic rally, we're going to have automatic reaction. This is the first reaction that's going to be larger than any of the previous moves to the downside in the uptrend. Buying climax is going to be precipitated by the preliminary supply, and it's going to fail. And then out of the automatic reaction, we're going to have a rally that's going to be a test of the buying climax. And that would conclude phase A. Then let's go to phase C right away. The highest point is always going to be an upthrust. For distribution, we're going to have an upthrust, and we're going to call it upthrust after distribution, or UTAD. We're going to have the test of that UTAD. We're going to have the last point of supply.